Folks, welcome back for episode 3 of the Man Cave build. This day sucks, man, to be quite honest with you. We've got this polar vortex thing coming that came through here. My pipes froze for the second time. Actually, this will be the third time in 2 years in the bonus room on the house over there above the garage. We know what the problem is. There's too much direct air getting in, like totally bypassing the insulation in the floor cavity and causing pipes to freeze under there. Plus the room stays cold. So contractor's on tap for all that. Excuse me. The contractor's on tap for that, and so I've got water trickling over there. I've got heat going, and I'm periodically going out there to check on it to make sure that we're not freezing back up. So I'm really on babysitting duty. So I figured, while I'm doing that, I'll go ahead and make myself useful. Come out here and continue to work in the man cave. You can see here that we've got some more insulation tightened up. We've got lights working in the staircase now above our heads. I'm going to be insulating all this area again, another layer, and then working on clearing all this out, getting this wall framed, and then getting insulation and stuff installed in there. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. I want to set up the time lapse on here so you're not bored with all the details. That hopefully we'll go through the work I'm doing in a matter of 20 to 30 seconds, and we'll see how that works out. Okay, hang tight. All right, so you seen me frame, okay? Got some more insulation up, and what I got left to do, I need to take a break and eat something because I'm freaking dying. I need to work on getting this window framed in, and we're basically just gonna, get it boxed in like this, and like this, and then we'll go ahead and we'll worry about the trim after everything else is done. But that's kind of what has to happen next. So that's going to get done, so I get the splinter out of my hands, and we will box this in. Okay, but I'm just going to do like a little kind of a header situation, and so I can have a door here to access this little storage space. That's what's going to happen there. So, all right, let me go get something to eat, and we'll be back out to continue mission. I think what I'm going to do next when I come out is get the wider insulation that I have, and go ahead and knock out this ceiling while we're doing the ugly stuff. So, all right, hang tight. that's it for one day. All right, wall studded, insulated, a portion of the roof done, and doesn't look too shabby. All right, folks, that's it for today, man. That's video number 3. Ain't quite 10 minutes, I don't think, but it is what it is. So, hey, hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Please click on subscribe so you don't miss an episode of building the man cave, because a man's got to have his own joint. Yeah. Subscribe, will you? Oh, and thanks for watching. Yeah.